Hey, we're coming up to the yard. It's really a neat operation. Photos don't give it justice. Just got to be here to actually see it, to really be impressed. The equipment that these gentlemen have, just unreal. And this just proved to you that loggers are not bad. They're actually doing stuff with the environment, because in about 3 years this will be so full of animals, it'll be unreal. The rabbits again, maybe possibly grouse, all kinds of animals are going to benefit from this. The fox to the squirrel to everything. So we're coming up to the big brush pile.
That one you just loaded, Scotty.
And as they come up,
everybody in, okay?
there's the old man. He owns the whole company, and he works right beside all of his workers.
That there's the hardest worker out here.
He is definitely a hard-working man.
Yeah.
He's running the dozer, cleaning paths for these guys. His son's somewhere around here working.
Son's right there on the loader.
Son's on the loader there.
If you don't mind, I'll drop you off right here.
That would be fine, sir.
You can drop and jump up out of the road, and I can swing on in there.
Okay, I sure appreciate your time.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You have a wonderful day, sir. Yeah, I'll jump. Okay, I'm getting out of this gentleman's way. There's the loader. He's coming on around. That was the vehicle I drove in. A lot of equipment, so you gotta watch. Looks like we're doing some maintenance on this chipper. There he goes, he's back off getting another load. We'll be finishing up this week. They've been here for approximately 3 weeks. Did 100 acres. Those logs you see pulling over there, that's all going to the sawmill. And as you can see, all the rest of the chippers, so they're going to chip it and put it in these semi trucks. Here, I'll zoom in over here. You can see the trucks are full. Comes another skidder right behind us. This is like a non-stop operation. The hard-working people. So if you ever want to do any clear cutting, I'll give you southeastern part of Ohio. Looks like they're fueling up. See the hose. They're just giving more fuel. There's the owner there. He's running the dozer. I believe he's like 80 years old. And he enjoys it. But how much fun it would it be just to drive around with your own Tonka toys? with actual real-life bunker toys. Here's the company. So if you ever need any chipping done, clear cut, please give them a call. Like I said, they're really nice people. They're efficient. Nothing goes to waste. Just a beautiful day. There's the truck. The trucker will take off with them. Just a beautiful day. Enjoy. Peace. Moone's Family Farm. Please subscribe.